folks! Today, Hoger is checking out the coolest cocktail bars in Whitefield. We're out at Four Friends Pub and Kitchen. Right now, we have dropped by during the quieter hours. But let me spill the beans. This place transforms at night. They throw the best parties and have one of the most buzzing atmospheres. Bar looks classy with a shiny counter and they've got the best of wines and whiskies. It's a cozy spot with plenty of space to chill. Plus, they've got cool artwork inspired by old comics and art from the 90s. If you feel like dancing, they have an inviting dance floor too. It's a fun place to hang out and have a good time. Four Friends is known for its live music and DJ nights. It's big and kept up nicely. When it comes to food, prices are lower than other outlets and you get good portion sizes. They also have a wide variety of cocktails to choose from. We tried their cosmopolitan cocktail alongside the Dragon Chicken, a dish featuring chicken wrapped in raw noodles, served with broccoli on the side and accompanied by spicy chili sauce. It cost us 883 rupees, which was quite heavy on our pocket but was worth the taste. We are at Groot Fusion Bar and Kitchen, which draws its name and theme from everyone's favorite and iconic Groot character from the Marvel Universe. This bar is located in Nexus Mall, Whitefield. The bar's shelves are a whiskey lover's dream, fully stocked with a diverse collection of whiskeys and wines. What's cooler are the unique cage-like shelves hanging from the ceilings, housing a wide variety of scotches. And the bartenders? Total pros. They whipped up some fun cocktails for us from frozen margarita, martini classic to cosmopolitan. It was a treat to watch. The food was delish with flavors that really stood out. On the flip side, the prices are a bit on the expensive end, but they do reflect the top-notch quality, although some might feel the food portions are a bit on the smaller side. For 841 rupees, we tried their Lycheecious cocktail, a tropical delight with juicy lychee essence, as well as their honey paprika chicken wings with a perfect crispy texture. The wings blend sweet honey and smoky paprika for a tasty, tender bite. Their menu never fails to impress. We rolled into this place called Tiddly Tavern Bar and Grill. They call themselves the neighborhood pub. Rightly so, the ambience of the place was quite unique and playful. The minimal checkered floor, old school wooden seats and vintage fans take you back to the early 80s. If you snag a corner on the balcony, there's this amazing city view you wouldn't want to miss. And right at the entrance, there's a snooker game waiting to keep you entertained. The bar counter, with a classy wooden design and well-lit shelves, adds to the nostalgic vibe. The walls are decked with frames holding mementos of modern sports legends. But the standout feature is definitely the drinks menu. The bar presented a diverse range of beverages and cocktails like Tiddly Tavern Lid, Tiddly Tubes, Grapefruit Sherbet and more. We had the grapefruit sherbet cocktail, which packs a citrusy kick, and we paired it with the Thai mushroom dish. It was pleasantly spicy and tasty. The chili mushrooms were soaked in juicy goodness and were absolutely delicious, making our mouths water, which cost us 627 rupees in total. Next up is the unique and delightful Fox in the Field at Shantiniketan Mall in Bengaluru. This place has a vibrant and colourful vibe with hanging flowers, a spacious dining table perfect for big groups and detailed lighting. Embracing the fox theme, cute fox illustrations adorn the walls. Enhancing the charm, while streetlight style lighting contributes to the overall ambience. Their staff were very friendly and ensured we had a good time dining. They paid attention to every detail, making the experience all the more special by going out of their way when it came to the service. We ordered their Sex on the Beach cocktail, this tropical mix comprising vodka, peach and a playful splash of cranberry juice, and it was a true delight. Then we tried the foxtail chicken kebab roll. It's a grilled chicken kebab roll seasoned with a hint of pepper and the perfect mix of spices. Served with tomatoes, onions and garlic chutney. It offered a near perfect culinary experience. And we paid 1,151 rupees for this. We are at the Salt Bar and Grill, another cool hangout spot in Shantiniketan Mall, Whitefield. The place has an amazing outdoor seating area. Walking into the bar, we were greeted by a cheerful blue-themed bar counter adorned with Christmas tree elements and sparkling stars. The seating area offered comfortable cushioned and minimal wooden seats for guests. Shelves displayed old-fashioned ceramic jars, creating a nostalgic touch. The ambient lighting set the perfect mood. However, the real gem was the wall of memories, covered with heartfelt notes that celebrated the good times people have had at the bar. This place specializes in North Indian cuisine, particularly focusing on the traditional Nawabi and Awadhi culinary styles. For 982 rupees, we got the mango chili fizz cocktail with a cherry on top and the kebab sizzler. We loved the juicy meat, then tried the sweet and spicy mango chili fizz. Welcome to Zodak Pub and Brewery, our new go-to hangout spot. Upon stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by the vibrant atmosphere and the lively party scene. And now and then, the bartender shows off his cool cocktail making skills. And hey, if you're into whiskeys, they've got a solid selection. The spot is all about the golden vibes and a bar counter that lights up the room. They offer a buffet system, which is a super fun way to hog with friends without breaking the bank. Weekends are the real deal though. Trust us, that's the time to check Zodak out for the full experience. We tried the Zodak Special First Kiss Mocktail, a classic mango drink decorated with a slice of green apple. Then we ordered the Chicken Crack Jack. It was super crunchy, juicy and packed with delicious flavors, which cost us 837 rupees. We reached the end of our segment with the Big Bang Sky Lounge, a venue that truly lives up to its name. Located on the rooftop, it provides a breathtaking view of the cityscape, and that is one of their key USPs. Vibe gets a boost from these fancy lights, bringing in the extra charm and making the place really stand out. They offer signature handcrafted cocktails like Passion Paloma, Pink Flag, Floral Bliss, and others. The whole experience was a real delight. And here's the kicker, they've got some fantastic deals for big dining parties. So if you're planning any group events or gathering, this place is a seriously tempting option. For 780 rupees, we enjoyed the Achari chicken tikka blended with bold spices and having a pickle-like flavor, along with the Lachi Lychee cocktail for its sweet lychee flavor with a refreshing twist. As the sun sets on our adventure, we are wrapping up the video on a high note